Yo, what's going on, bros? It's the Moe Train! From what I hear, bro, you need the #1 roaster on Cameo. That's right, #1. To roast your friends, your family, your loved ones, your bosses, your enemies, and to beat them down like the swine, the filth, the garbage they are, bro. Now listen, book now, bros. I'm gonna come over there. I'm gonna take my hand, I'm gonna ball up real tight and punch you right in the face and say it's the Moe Train for being a loser, for not having class, and not being a real man or woman, bro. Now book now and get the best message ever on Cameo. And make sure you book for your loved ones, bro. Valentine's Day is coming up, and what a better gift to give your loved ones than a message of hate and power from the Moe Train. Now book now. Go do it now, or else.